Hey guys, welcome back to another gadgets video. Today I have 4 pretty unique ice cream gadgets that I'm gonna put to the test. I mean, how many times has this happened to you? All you wanna do is take a bite of some delicious ice cream, and the ice cream is so icy and hard when it comes out of the freezer that when you scoop it with a spoon, that happens. That's why I wanted to put these 4 unique ice cream scoopers to the test. Let's see what I got. But first, before we get started, if you like any of these gadgets that you see here, I put links in the description box below so you can easily just go right to Amazon, pick one up for yourself. If you want to win one for yourself, watch to the end of this video and I'm going to tell you exactly how to do that, but you got to watch to the end. The first ice cream gadget I have here is the Good Cook ice cream scooper, spring loaded. Let's see how this works. So with this gadget here, what you got to do is you squeeze it first, scoop it, and just let it go because it's spring loaded and it's supposed to just fall right out. Let's see how well it works. So it's ice cream. Scoop it in there pretty good like that. Just gonna fall out anyways. Let's try that again. All right, I'm gonna try this one more time. Scoop it in. Okay. Scoop it in, release it, drops out. I mean, it works pretty good. The ice cream I have here is kind of soft right now, but I can see this working pretty well. One more time. Pack it in pretty good. Let it go. Oh, there we go. Jeez. Not my day today. If the ice cream was more frozen, traditionally my ice cream would be way more frozen, but I think this works pretty good. Let's see what else I got. All right, the next ice cream gadget I have here is the CuisiPro Scoop and Stack. Bam, let's see how this works. You're just supposed to pull that out and then stick it, let's lift that up a little. Stick it into the ice cream. Okay, and twist. Come out. Oh, look at that. Wow. And push the button and squeeze it out. Oh, wow. Look at that. Come out. Oh, look at that. Cool. That works really, really well. Let me try it again. Look at the hole it makes in the ice cream. Oh, up. Push down. Oh, push down, twist, and then give it a squeeze. Let's see. Wow, look at that. Come on. I should have probably demonstrated this ice cream with the last gadget. Very cool. And then I got some of this Reese's shell stuff. Chocolate and peanut butter. There we go. Boom. Should open my own store. This gadget works really, really well. I like it. Let's see what else I got. All right, the next ice cream gadget that I have here is the Scoopy Balloon. Yes, that's what they called it. Let's see how it works. All right, so check this out. It has a little balloon on there, and after you scoop it, you press the balloon, and the ice cream just pops right out. It kind of reminds me of a PlayStation Move controller. But as an ice cream scooper, let's test it out, see how it works on ice cream. So you scoop it in there pretty good. And then, okay, works pretty good. Let's do it again. Yeah, this ice cream is much more frozen than the other one, but you see how well it's packed in there, and then bam. Much better than a spoon. I can't tell you how many spoons I've bent scooping frozen ice cream. Look how easy that is. Just comes right out. This thing is great. Look at that. This thing's pretty innovative. It's really, really unique. All of these are pretty innovative for ice cream scoopers, but this one so far I like the best. What do you guys think? And I got one more to show you. Let's see what it is. Hey, Charlie. Look who's back. Surprise, surprise. You can't have chocolate, buddy. Here. Guys, he really likes this stuff. Look at this. You can have it, but not too much. I don't want a fat cat, even though they're funny. No more ice cream, buddy. Sorry. All right. Back to the video. All right, the last ice cream gadget I have here is the Scoop That 2. This company's pretty unique. What they do is they make these products that transfer thermal body heat from your hand as you hold the handle, and it's supposed to transfer up into the actual product. I just put to the test one of their butter knives. I'll put a link up in the video here so you guys can check that out too. But let's see how this works. So here's the scooper. You can kind of see the unique handle here. It looks like it has water in the handle. I don't know if you can see that, but it's moving around. That's pretty cool. It's supposed to transfer heat from your hand as you hold it. Let's see if it works. I know the butter knife worked pretty good on butter, but this... Oh wow. Look at that, it's kind of moving around inside. Look at that. So it's already working, it's already transferring the heat from my hand to the ice cream scooper. That is awesome. Here, let's put this in a cone, because I'm gonna eat this bad boy when we're done here. Put it in. Wow, it comes right out. Look at that. Let's do another scoop from the bottom. Oh my God, I can't believe it's actually melting the ice cream as I'm scooping it. It comes right out. How cool is this? I don't know if you guys can see here. As I'm scooping it, look at that, it's melting to the point where it's not even staying in the scoop. Oh man, this thing is awesome. I can't believe how well this works. This is working really, really well. Definitely recommend this thing. You know I can't make an ice cream video without trying the ice cream. Chocolate marshmallow. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Which one was your favorite? Mine was by far the Scoopy Balloon and the thermal heater. I can't believe how well this thing works. So as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I'm going to be giving away one of these gadgets. So this is all you have to do to play. Okay, so first, you must be subscribed. If you're not, you can't play. Number 2, you have to like this video. Number 3, guess which gadget I'm giving away in the comments below. If you guess right, you win. That is unless someone else guesses right, then I have to throw your names into a hat and pick the winner. Once this video hits 50 likes, I'll pick the winner and that's it. Which one am I giving away? Comment, like, be subscribed. That's all there is to it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.